Do you know exactly how much money you are losing while you sleep? I'm not talking about market fluctuations or bad investments. I'm talking about the silence in your customer support inbox between 6 p.m. and 9 a.m. Every single night, potential customers land on your website. They have questions. They are interested. They have their credit card in hand. But then they hit a roadblock. Maybe they can't find your shipping policy to Canada. Maybe they don't understand a specific feature of your pricing tier. So they look for a chat window. If you're lucky, they send an email and wait 24 hours. But let's be honest, in 2025, nobody waits. They close the tab, they go to your competitor, and that sale is gone forever. For years, the only solution to this was hiring a 24/7 support team. But that is incredibly expensive. It requires training, management, and massive overhead. But what if I told you that the solution isn't more people? It's a smarter co-founder. I want to introduce you to Chatbase. Now, you might have heard of chatbots before. Forget everything you know about these clunky, pre-scripted bots that just frustrate your users. Chatbase is different. Chatbase is an AI platform that lets you build a custom ChatGPT specifically on your business data. And this isn't just some small experimental tool. Chatbase has quietly become a titan in the AI space. What started as a simple side project has absolutely exploded, growing entirely on its own power. 100% bootstrapped. No venture capital, just pure product value. Today, they have just crossed $8 million in annual recurring revenue. They are trusted by over 10,000 active customers. Why that level of growth? Because they are delivering on massive vision. This milestone kicks off the next chapter of Chatbase, building an AI agent that will become your customer-facing co-founder. So how does this actually work, and how does it save you time and money? Imagine a new employee joining your team. Usually, you spend weeks training them. You have to have them read the handbook, show other employees, and they still make mistakes. With Chatbase, that training process takes minutes. You simply upload your documents, PDFs, Word docs, text files, or you just paste your website URL. Chatbase scrapes your entire site, reads every help article, memorizes every product detail, and trains a sophisticated large language model on your specific truth. It doesn't hallucinate random internet facts. It answers based on your data. Once it's live on your site, which takes about 2 clicks to embed, the magic happens. Let's talk about return on invest, because this is where business owners really see the light. Think about your support tickets right now. I guarantee you that 80% of them are the same 5 questions repeated over and over again. Where's my order? What is the refund policy? Do you integrate with XYZ? If you have a human answering those questions, you are burning cash. You are paying a human salary for a robot's job. When you install Chatbase, it acts as a firewall for your support team. It instantly handles those 80% of repetitive queries. This means your response time goes from hours to seconds. Customer satisfaction skyrockets because people get instant answers. And your human support team? They are no longer drowning in noise. They are now free to focus on the complex, high-value issues that actually require human empathy and problem solving. But Chatbase isn't just a defense tool. It's an offensive weapon for sales. This is the sales development web feature that most people overlook. You can configure your Chatbase agent to capture leads. Instead of just answering a question for free, the bot can say, I can definitely help with that pricing question. First, what's your email address in case we get disconnected? Boom, you just captured a lead that would have otherwise bounced. It collects the email, sends it to your CRM, and nurtures that prospect while you are fast asleep. And for the power users out there, Chatbase has evolved into a fully functional agent. It doesn't just talk, it can do things. Through AI actions, you can connect it to tools like Calendly, Stripe, or Shopify. Imagine a customer asks, Can I book a demo? The bot doesn't just say yes. It actually pulls up your calendar right there in the chat, checks your availability, and books the meeting. If a customer asks, "Where is my order?" the bot can connect to Shopify, check the status, and tell them exactly where the package is. No human involvement required. It works in almost every language. If a customer writes in Spanish, Chatbase answers in Spanish. If they write in German, it answers in German. You instantly become a global business without hiring a localization team. The interface is completely customizable. You can change the colors to match your brand, add your logo, and even tweak the system prompt to give your AI a personality. You can tell it, be professional and concise, or be witty and use emojis. You are literally designing the voice of your brand. And if you are worried about saying the wrong thing, you have full control. You can review chat logs, see exactly what people are asking, and revise answers so the AI learns and gets smarter over time. So let's look at the bottom line. You could hire 3 more support agents to cover the night shift, costing you tens of thousands of dollars a year. Or you could deploy a Chatbase agent that costs a fraction of that, works 24/7, speaks every language, never gets tired, and knows your business inside and out. This is why 10,000 businesses have already made the switch. This is why they are 8 million in revenue. They aren't just selling software, they are selling your time back. We are entering an era where having an AI agent on your website is going to be as standard as having a phone number. The question isn't if you use AI for support, it's when. Don't let your competitors be the first to offer instant 24/7 service. Go to Chatbase today, upload your data, build your agent, and finally let your business run itself while you focus on building the future. Your new co-founder is waiting.